Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the Moonpay app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you've downloaded and installed the Moonpay app on your device. Now we need to create an account. So from here, simply open Moonpay up for the first time. Now, once it loads, you're going to come to this screen where it says Trade It All with Moonpay. So click on the Get Started button. Then from here, it will say sign in with Moonpay. So signing in and create an account is the same thing here. So what we need to do is click on email address, jot in your email address, or you can sign in or sign up with Google. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Now it will say sign in to Moonpay, click your Google account and then click on sign in. And what that is, that's basically going to create your account and sign you in at the same time. And then from here, it's going to take us to the home page where we can deposit some money and buy some crypto.